Internet world. Hello, how are you? This is a little quick tutorial for how to play a new track by Spoon called Wild. I'm gonna play a little bit of it, and then we're gonna talk about it. I was reminded every measure, riding trade winds, buried treasure. I got on fine with modern living, but must I be such a citizen? And the world still so wild called to me. I was lost, I'd been kept on my knees, and the world still so wild called to me. I was lost, I'd been kept on my knees. Oh yeah. Such a good groove. All right, so what's going on in that song? Obviously, there are more instruments than just guitar, but Britt Daniels has this great groove, playing the guitar very percussively. It's all these 16th notes. But first, let's go over the shapes. This is your first shape, B. The whole song is just these two notes ringing out. You move the shape up around the guitar, but it's really just two notes that ring out the whole time, which is pretty cool. How you can get such a good groove with so many, what's going on there? Anyway, how you can get such a good groove with just these two notes. First shape, index finger on the second fret of A, pinky on the fourth fret of G. This is our first shape. I was reminded, buried every measure. You're gonna take that shape and shift everything up to the 7th fret. This is your E chord. Index finger is now on the 7th fret of A, pinky is on the 9th fret of G. In both of these, with all these, you just want to have those two strings ringing out. So to sort of achieve that, like with the B chord, right? I'm using my left index finger to mute the low E, right? It's touching the low E, muting the low E, it's muting D. It's also muting, I'm using my pinky to mute B and index to mute high E. So you really just want to like do whatever you can with the left hand to make sure that only these two strings are ringing out, A and G, even when you strum all 6 strings, right? And that rule sort of applies to all the chords. So we got 2nd fret, 7th fret, then our next chord, C sharp minor. You're going to take that shape, move it down to the 4th fret. So now index is at 4, pinky's at 6 of G, 4 of A. Then you're going to lift up and you're going to put your index finger on the 2nd fret of low E, pinky on the 4th fret of D. This is your F sharp. Modern living, but must I be such a citizen? Just take that shape, shift it up too. This is your G sharp minor. Now you got your index on the 4th fret of E and pinky on the 6th fret of D. Okay? So those are the chords of the verse. B, E, C sharp minor, F sharp, G sharp minor. The chorus. And the world. You're just taking that shape that you were playing for G sharp minor and you're moving everything up 1. So now you're at 5 of E and 7 of D. And the world still so to E. Wild call to me. back to B, back to that original chord. Then it repeats. And the world's still so wild. E, ball to me. Here we are at B. That's it. That's the whole song. Obviously, there are more verses and choruses, but that's the whole thing. The groove. With your right hand, you want to be counting in your head 16th notes, and find a nice soft pick, something with a lot of give to it. 0.60 millimeter. That's what I use. And your right hand wants to be doing these up and down motion, counting 16th notes. So just over that B chord, 1 E and a 2 E and a 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 1 E and a 2 E and a. This is it, the whole time. Nice and loose with the right wrist, and that's it. That's all you got. I find it easiest to think about counting that way. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a. Best ways to play along with the track, play along with this video. Listen to the rest of the album. It's a great new album by Spoon. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, have fun with this rhythm. It's a great groove. Thanks for watching.